Cooking with Gloria. The cold weather is here and I want to share with you a very delicious chocolate atole. Yes, a very traditional chocolate atole that I know that you guys are going to love and enjoy, especially in this cold weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: I have granulated sugar, cornstarch, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 chocolate tablet, water, milk, of course our vanilla extract, and this is everything we need to make this delicious chocolate atole. My style, of course, perfect for this cold weather. So let's get started. I have my saucepan here. I'm going to add just a little bit of water. It's just half a cup of water. And I'm going to go ahead and pull apart my cinnamon stick. I want the cinnamon to really release all the delicious flavor into this water. Let's go to the stove and let's start by low heat, letting it simmer for about 10 minutes. While that's simmering, I'm going to continue with my cornstarch. I'm just adding half a cup of water and I'm just going to mix it completely until it's really nice and dissolved. And it should be looking just like this. You want to make sure that the cornstarch is completely dissolved so it doesn't get all clumpy when you add it to the hot liquids. Once this is done, I'm just going to put it aside, and I have my chocolate tablet. It's Abuelita chocolate. I'm just going to open it and have it ready. And let's go to the stove and see how the water is turning. You know, the cinnamon releases all the delicious flavor, but you need to add it and leave it there in low heat. You'll be seeing the water changing a little bit of color. You could see a little yellow. That means that it's time to remove the cinnamon sticks. At this moment, I'm going to start removing them. Every single one, because it has released and infused the water already. I'm adding the granulated sugar. I'm going to go ahead and add the chocolate tablet, and I'm just gonna be mixing it around. It's gonna take a couple minutes before it starts dissolving completely, but this is how it's gonna be looking. Just make sure that you don't step away from the pan, because you want to make sure that everything really dissolves completely and that the sugar really dissolves. So you got to be mixing it around to pull apart the tablet, the chocolate tablet. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes when it has dissolved. It has dissolved here, but we still need to cook it a little more because there's still little pieces of the chocolate. And we want to make sure, as you could see the little pieces, you want to make sure that the chocolate is dissolved completely. Please do not step away from the pan. After the chocolate is completely dissolved, we're going to go ahead and start adding our milk and continue mixing. When you add the milk, you want to make sure to continue mixing so that the milk doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, or else it will burn and the atole will taste horrible. I'm going to taste it to see if it needs a little more sugar. To my tasting, this is fine. Once it starts boiling just like this, you want to wait until it starts boiling just like this. You're going to start adding your cornstarch. The liquid that you already mixed, just mix it one more time because usually it goes all the way to the bottom. Let's mix it, let's add it, and let's continue mixing so that we don't get any clumps on this delicious chocolate atole.
This atole comes out so delicious that I know that once you try it, you're going to continue making it at home for your kids, especially in the morning. With this cold weather, this is a perfect hot drink to enjoy. Once it's already boiling one more time, this is the time when I'm going to go ahead and start adding my vanilla extract. The vanilla extract, you already have a video up on how I prepare it here at home with my vanilla beans. And now I'm just going to mix it around. And I'm going to show you how it's getting already nice and thick. Look at this. Look how delicious this is. The more you let it cook, the thicker it will become. Look at this. Well, this is now completely done, and now I am ready to start pouring it on my cup. I can't wait to taste it. This smells so delicious, so concentrated, that I'll show you how this looks. The total amount cooking was about 30 minutes. Remember, you cook it on medium-low heat. But this comes out delicious. I can't wait to drink it, and to tell you the truth, I am ready for the presentation. So I'll see you in a little bit, but I wanted to show you how thick and how delicious this chocolate atole looks. I hope you give it a try and enjoy it with your kids and with your family, especially that the holidays are right around the corner. And with this cold weather, well, this is a perfect atole.
Done with this chocolate atole. You know something? This chocolate atole is perfect for winter. When it's very cold and your home is very cold, you want to warm up your home, you want to warm up your soul. Well, this is a perfect chocolate atole. I hope you could prepare it at home. You know that this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. If you love chocolate like I love chocolate, you are going to love this chocolate atole. Excuse me. It's still nice and hot, but yet very delicious and creamy. This just came out amazing. Perfect for winter. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. Share my video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I share with you recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You could follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious chocolate atole. See you soon on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.